Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel canners. So in today's video, as soon as I get home, but I'm doing the introduction now because I have time. That's how I roll. Literally, in the car. So I am going to talk to you about winter sowing. As I've said, I'm a lazy gardener. I have a list of things that I'm going to winter sow. Winter sowing is perfect for lazy gardeners like me because if I put my plants in the greenhouse, I got to watch them. I've got to water them. I've got to time them perfectly so they are ready to be transplanted outdoors, and my weather is never dependable or perfect. So by winter sowing, I don't have to water them after the first time. Nature does it through the air, down in the ground. By winter sowing in milk jugs, they have a little greenhouse. They're protected. They'll grow a little faster than outside, but they will still be timed with nature's timing. Hopefully more perfect than mine. And then the other thing is, you just get them all in jugs. You get them all out there. You leave them. You forget them. Much more forgiving than greenhouses where you have to harden them off because they're already been outside. They don't have to be hardened off. So I am going to try this method this year. I have a list. Now there's a huge list of things that you can winter sow. I'm going to give you my list here. But when you go to pick out your list, look for things that say need stratification. Cold hardy, early growing. So there's the keywords to look for on the list. I'm going to go ahead, show you my list, and then I'm going to show you how I do it. So here's a brief little slideshow of what I'm going to plant, and then I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do it in this video. Calendula, I use it for making salves and in my soap making. Sunflowers, because I've got quite a few and I want to get them going. Arugula, because Joe from Garden State Gardener gave them to me when I won the seeds, so got to get them in. Broccoli, I usually buy started plants, but this year I'm going to try to do some seeds. Cauliflower, because, well, I have the seed. Cabbage, because I'm really into probiotic foods, and sauerkraut is a big one of those. Collard greens is what I'm doing just because I have the seed available and need to use it up. Endive, again, I have seed on hand and it is one that's supposed to be good for this, so I'm going to try it. Kale, because it's also one that I have a bunch of seeds and I'm trying to find a variety I actually like. Kohlrabi, because planted seed starts are hard to find here. I'm doing leeks because I want to do some potato leek soup. I'm doing lettuce because, well, we eat salad once in a while and I want some early. The same with mache. I just happen to have the seed and I want to add it to my salad. I like more than one green in there. Pak choy or bok choy. I actually really like it, and it's also good in kraut. Radishes, because I have way overabundance of radish seed that needs used up. It's a couple years old. Spinach, again, for salads. I just like it fresh as a green. Swiss chard, we're doing some because I have 4 different varieties, and I want to see which one I like.